Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're breaking down DDC P0004, which stands for Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit High. This is a code you'll see when the voltage to the fuel volume regulator is too high, and it can cause all kinds of drivability issues. P0004 is set when the PCM detects higher than normal voltage on the fuel volume regulator circuit. This regulator is responsible for adjusting how much fuel pressure is delivered to your engine. Too much voltage usually means something is shorted to power, and that can throw off the entire fuel delivery system. If not addressed, it can affect starting, idling, and fuel efficiency. So what causes P0004? It could be a short to power somewhere in the circuit, maybe a wire rubbing against metal or another hot wire. The fuel volume regulator solenoid itself could be faulty and drawing too much current. You'll also want to check for damaged or corroded connectors, which can create bad paths for voltage. As always, a PCM issue is rare, but not impossible. Here's what you might notice. The check engine light will almost always be on. You could experience rough idling, stalling, or even hard starts. Fuel pressure may be too high or fluctuating erratically, which messes with combustion and performance. If the voltage spike is extreme, your car might fail to start at all. Start by using a scan tool to look at fuel pressure and control voltages. Then do a visual inspection of the wiring harness and connectors. Look for burnt wires or signs of a short to power. Use a multimeter to test resistance and voltage draw on the fuel volume regulator solenoid. If the regulator or circuit is bad, replace the part or repair the wiring. Only consider replacing the PCM after confirming everything else is in spec. And that wraps up P0004. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've seen this code in the wild. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.